Hello there and welcome to a video where we're going to be talking about math placement at Southern Oregon University. Our goal for this video is to help you understand some of the following topics. First, we really want you to understand the different types of math levels at SOU, explore how math levels are assigned, and discover how you can use the math placement assessment to your advantage. You might be wondering, what does math placement even mean at Southern Oregon University? Math placement is simply the name of the method we use to capture your overall readiness for math courses at SOU. While the math placement is the name of the process we use, the goal of the math placement is to actually assign you with a math level. Math levels are the actual metric we use to designate the level of math you can enroll in. There are three-digit values ranging from 60 to 254. Numbers ranging from 60 to 95 are for developmental or non-college level math. Numbers that are 100 and above are for college level math. Students who place into anything at the 251 or above level are considered to be in advanced math courses like calculus. It might be useful to understand a little bit more about how to understand math levels when you see them. So math levels all have the same format: ML, MTL, or MOL, which is your math level code, and followed by a three-digit number, which is your math level. So there are three different types of math levels that we use here at Southern Oregon University. The first type of math level that you'll see is commonly referred to as simply the math placement level, the most common one, which generally comes from a student's SAT or ACT scores, or through the actual ALEKS math placement system that we use here on campus. They're valid for 2 years from the date of the test. The next one is the math transfer level, or MTL. This is assigned when courses generate college-level credits, such as an AP, IB, or CLEP exam, or through transfer coursework. At SOU, we do accept transfer coursework from the developmental math levels, provided that a student received a passing grade of a C- or better. These levels are valid forever. But lastly is the math override level. This is a fairly rare one to see, but if you see it, it's most likely because you took a placement test at another campus and then transferred that score to SOU to be used for math placement here. It is also valid for 2 years from the date of the actual test. You might wonder, where can you find your math level? Well, you probably got an email from math placement about your math level, or if you haven't yet, or you're not sure if it's accurate, you can always use DegreeWorks. So DegreeWorks is our online degree audit system. You can access it by visiting your Inside SOU account, visiting Online Services, which is on the right side, and inside of this box you will see a link for DegreeWorks for Students. When you click it, you'll see a box that looks like this. In the bottom right, you'll see your math placement level. Sometimes, if you don't have a math placement level, you'll see a different message which says to contact a phone number that looks something like this. If you see that, you're welcome to contact Math Placement, simply emailing mathplacement@sou.edu. Next, it's important to understand when you can use the actual math placement assessment we have here on campus. The two main reasons a student would want to take the math placement test are generally because you don't have a math level assigned or you want to test into a higher level course. Either way, there's a practice assessment available, and we encourage you to take it. You can access ALEKS by visiting your Inside SOU account, going to Online Services, and you'll see a link near the top called ALEKS. When you click on this, it will pair our ALEKS math placement system with your SOU account. You'll complete an intake survey, complete a user tutorial, you'll have access to the practice assessment, after which you'll be able to access learning modules to improve your score. Please remember, math placements are expected to be proctored, which means whenever you take it for an official score, it will be proctored through either a face-to-face proctoring or through an online proctoring service like ProctorU. Let's wrap up. When it comes to math levels, it's important to understand that math placement is the name of the system we use, but math level is the goal of math placement. The math level is the acronym of 3 letters that is followed by a 3-digit code, MTL, MOL, or MLs, which are followed by anything from 060 to 254. And you should use the ALEKS Math Placement Assessment tool whenever you don't have a math level assigned or you're looking to test into a high level of math. Once again, thanks for your time. Make sure to check out the Math Placement website for any additional information. You can access it by visiting inside.sou.edu/STEM.